Hello, welcome to my channel. I am Rocío. In today's video, I'd like to share with you one of my Magic Crochet magazine. This one is number 36, June 1985. The first design is a filet crochet placemat or centerpiece. The designer is Yoko Suzuki. It measures 18 by 20 inches. This is the instructions. They look very well written, and it also has a chart. Easy to follow instructions. This basically tells you how to follow the instructions. The second design, a flower basket. The designer Amalia Deldin. It measures 5 inches high. It was made with cotton 20. Four corner box. There's 2 boxes plus a hat in a little basket. The instructions come with explanations and also charts. The next design is Lace Medallion Centerpiece by Dharma Bregoli. This one is Needlework Carry-All. Looks like a gym bag. This is the only crochet. The rest, embroidery and ribbon. But it has all the instructions. Portrait of a lady. Designed by Amalia Deldin. Measures 4 3/4 by 5 7/8 of an inch. The next design, Pretty as a Picture by Amalia Deldin, with also a frame with some crochet and embroidery. It has all of the instructions. Amalia Deldin. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. It measures 4.5 by 6 3/4 inches, not including the frame. Rosy View Window Curtain. Filet crochet. The designer is Dharma Bregoli. Measures 15 3/4 by 14.5 without the edging. It was made with thread 10. Large roses. Comes with the chart and the instructions. They look beginner's level, easy to make. Tulip Lampshade by Sylvette Raisonnoir. Sorry if I didn't pronounce right. Sylvette Raisonnier. Something like that. Here is the design. Look like 70s style. Measures, doesn't say how much it measures. Multicolor mat by Yoko Suzuki. Measures 9 3/4, and it was made with cotton 10. It has a chart and the instructions. It doesn't say who the designer is, but it measures 19 inches. I don't know why it will measure 19 inches if it's only 20 rows. See, probably because it's treble crochets. Made with cotton 30. Another design, passion flower. Doesn't say who the designer is. Measures 16 inches. Made with cotton 5. It's 32 rows. A set of colorful coasters by Yoko Suzuki. They measure 4 3/4. Made with cotton 5. It comes with the chart and the instructions also. And we also have a royal tray mat. The instructions and the chart. And here is the design. All filet crochet. Beginner's level maybe. The next design is pine cone tablecloth. No designer. Measures 37 inches. Made with cotton 30. Let's go take a look at the design. It is very pretty. It's 75 rows. Before you continue with this, it is 93. Here is 87 rows and here is 93 rows. Let's go to the next design. Another doily by Yoko Suzuki. Square centerpiece. It's cute. Easy to make. Only 14 rows. See. It measures 8.5 inches and it was made with cotton 30. Another one by Yoko Suzuki. It's 11 inches using thread 20. It comes with the chart and the instructions. The next design, dogwood runner, comes with the chart. The designer is Dharma Bregoli. Measures 12 inches by 29 3/4 inch. Made with cotton 3. The next design, striped Afghan, measures 47 by 39 inches. I don't understand which thread it was used. The next design, basket trimmings, meshes white and airy dress with booties. It comes with instructions for 6, 12, and 18 months. The next design, girls lace collared cardigan, 12 months. The next design, puff sleeved blue dress, puff sleeved blue dress for 12 months. The next design, V-neck pullover for a boy, size 6 months. The next design, violet shawl and blue shawl. Designed by Silver Raisonnier. The next design, is a sweater for size 10 and 12, bust size 34. The next design, it's very similar to the sweater, but this is a dress. Looks easy to do, mostly double crochets and chains. Same designer. This one is for size 10, 12. And also show you how to make it for 14 and 16. A cute couple all dressed up for a sunny walk. It's intermediate level. As the dog. I really like it. I wish I had the thread, but I don't have thread to make it. I'm poor on thread this year. The next design, 2 pin cushions by Masono Onoe. Very pretty colors. Comes with all of the instructions. They measure 5 by 5. The next design is easy to make. Baby caterpillar, cocoons, and chrysalids. All made with pomponics. The next design, ragtime rugs to knit and weave. I don't know how to weave. Old Woman by the Sea by Francois Gallibourg. I believe the instructions to make this doll are here. She says instructions on pages 81 and 82. Let's go back and here. Yeah. It has all of the instructions on how to make the doll. I don't understand why they have it only on the outside. Maybe they ran out of space. But That's it. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next Vintage Crochet Magazine browse through.